Hey guys, so I thought I'd kind of go over what my plan is in terms of what I send you each day. So each day you'll receive an email from me and it will have the following information as you see on the screen. When I write for attendance, that means something that I need from you typically by the end of class time so that I can mark attendance, whether you were present, awake, and doing something related to school. And this is usually something fairly straightforward and an easy task, a simple do something, respond to me in some way so that I know you're there and working. For a grade is something I'm usually going to have you submit to eLocker. And this is something you have been working over for a few days now. I've been assigning it as homework, or I've made something in the looking ahead portion that tells you what I'm looking for you to be doing. So this does not have to be done during school time. This has to be done and submitted on a particular day for a grade for that day. This also is to make sure you're engaged and that you are working on school things during the day at school. I typically try to have this submitted somewhere by like either 3 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I try not to make this something that you would be starting from scratch and presenting to me on that same day. So if you look at this, you'll see that it says, for instance, today you're supposed to add to your notes from watching the videos that I put in the first part. And I'm telling you that maybe Cornell style notes would be the best so that you can have some notes you've already started and you have a place to add some more enhancements to it as you watch those videos. And then I'm going to have you turn that in. For your homework, you're supposed to be doing notes on chapter 14, section 6, because that's the next video I'm going to make on. And then I also tell you to work on finishing up worksheet 10.4. This now does not have a due date. You don't have anything to submit yet. These are the things to be working on in the future. So I'm asking you to send me emails if you have any questions. That way I can do more videos. In fact, Friday, I'm thinking of making it more of a question answer kind of day where you've submitted questions to me and I'm ready to give you the answers. Looking ahead is trying to let you know what things are coming up and what due dates I have in mind. And that's a way for you to look at those and say, oh, you know what? I'm really having trouble with X. I should make sure she knows that before this due date. And so those are the due dates coming up in the future. Now, remember, every Saturday, I expect you to go in and make sure you don't have any missing assignments from me. If you do not submit those to eLocker. Send them to me via email, because Monday morning I will be deleting all the assignments from the previous week so that you only have a few to choose from every week. I hope this kind of makes sense to you in terms of what my workflow is so that you understand your workflow. If you have questions, please email those to me and I will answer you directly, or maybe add a comment somewhere that you can read and understand if I think it's something a lot of students may have. So thanks again, guys. I know you are really working hard and I know you have a lot to do. I do appreciate your feedback telling me what you're having struggles with and how I can help you. That is very, very beneficial for both of us. Thank you for listening.